Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make another Christmas decor using cardboard. Join me and let us design our home with these beautiful Christmas tree cones. If you are new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and share my video. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated on my next and future videos. Enjoy watching! All the list of the materials that I use in this project will be in the description section below. So first, I use a yarn as a compass to make an arc and cut it. After cutting, shape the cardboard into a cone and fix it using a masking tape. Mark a ½ inch to your cone from bottom to top. Make a teardrop pattern from a cardboard and trace it. Make as many as you can. We will use it to cover the cone. Then, bend the pattern using a pencil. It gives a really good bend. Using your hot glue, stick the curved teardrop pattern around your cone. The ½ inch line we marked a while ago will be your guide. Put a little space between the pattern. The second layer should be placed on the middle of the first pattern. Then repeat the process upward. After reaching the top, it is now time to spray paint the cone. For my first cone, I will paint it chrome silver. And this is the final look. For my second cone, I will spray paint it gold and put diamond wrap around it. I will also add gold sequins all over the cone to make it more glam. For the third cone, I will use double adhesive tape. Just stick the tape from the tip of the cone down to the bottom. Peel the paper to expose the sticky part or sticky side of the paper, then pour some glitters on it. You may tap it and get rid the excess glitters. Repeat this until you got 5 vertical glittered lines. I will also put silver diamond wrap around the bottom end of the cone. I will also use sequins, but this time I will use the silver sequins and place it at the bottom part of the cone. And this is the final look. For my final cone, I will use crystal garland. I bought this on Lazada and you may also check other craft store for this. Aside from this cute crystal garland, I will also use rainbow gems. Since that this is a DIY project, I will make my own accessories. So I use my hot glue gun and make a circle on the bar's countertop. In this way, after drying, I can easily take it out and spray it with gold. Then, put it around my cone. And we have now our 4 beautiful Christmas cones. This is very cute and sparkling Christmas decor, which is so very easy to make. I also make small ones and you can place it under your Christmas tree, on your table, or on the floor to have the Christmas spirit every corner of your home. So that's our today's video and I hope you like it as much as I do. Also, if you are new to my channel, you are very much welcome to subscribe. Like and share this video and don't forget to hit the notification bell. You may also comment other DIY project you want me to do. You can also support this channel and my other social media accounts. It will be in the description section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and keep safe. Bye!